In this video, we will be showing you how to replace a keypad on an MT4300. This is a repair you can easily do in the field with only a couple of tools. What you will need is a new keypad, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. We will be using a handheld drill to make things easier. First, we'll remove these 6 screws using a Phillips head bit or screwdriver. Remove the back. Be aware of the internal antenna connected to the main board. If your unit has a voice jack, you'll need to disconnect the cable from the main board. Next, disconnect the battery. Set the back aside. Next, we will disconnect the ribbon cable connecting the main board to the display. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 6 screws holding the main board in place. Place these 6 screws safely aside to be used later when reinstalling the board. Carefully remove the main board and slide the ribbon cable off of the pins on the back. Safely set the board aside. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver to lift the old keypad and remove it. Discard the old keypad. You'll notice some adhesive being left behind on the controller. Use your thumb to remove as much adhesive as possible to ensure the new keypad adheres properly. Now that the case is clean, remove the backing of the new keypad. Don't forget the small piece under the ribbon cable. Snake the cable through the opening in the front and align the top 2 corners of the keypad into the recessed area of the case. Ensure the keypad is aligned and press down evenly across the entire keypad. Secure the ribbon cable to the pins on the back of the main board. Next, we will secure the board using the 6 Phillips screws. Be sure to secure the ribbon cable from the display to the main board. Reconnect the voice adapter to the 3 pins on the main board. Also, connect the battery to the 2 pins on the main board. Align the back and the front of the enclosure, ensuring no cables or the internal antenna are being pinched. Secure the 6 Phillips screws using a low torque setting on your drill. Finally, test the new keypad by turning on the unit, entering manual mode, and pressing each button, including the true pair and back button. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below.